with the letter D. Trace the letter D. Super! You traced the letter D. The word dog is spelled D-O-G. Drag the letters to spell the word dog.
G O D.
You spelled the word dog. I can't wait to learn about baby dogs. Let's start reading.
Baby dogs. Puppies. Young dogs are called puppies. Dogs can be puppies until age 2. Puppies are born in litters. Big dogs have the largest litters.
How many puppies are in the litter? Tap each one.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
Great job! You counted 6 puppies in the litter.
Life with the litter. Young puppies let mom lick them clean.
Which dog is the mom? Tap it. You found the mom.
They drink mom's milk together. Brothers and sisters wrestle with one another. They bite and scratch to play.
Which puppy is on top of the other? Way to go! That puppy is on top.
A new home. A puppy can leave mom at 8 weeks old. It moves to a new home.
Tap the puppy to hear.
The puppy bonds with its owner. It loves belly rubs. It follows the owner's commands. Sit is one trick it learns. The puppy wants to play. The puppy wants to play. It chews on toys and sticks. What a treat!
Looks like it's time to play fetch. Thanks for reading with me.